Welcome to our tutorial about modules. As I mentioned previously, you can think of a module as a form without the container of the form. Basically, it just stores code. Let's highlight and delete these blocks of code here. Now we'll select Module, right-click, and let's place this code here. Let's test our application. Our application runs exactly as in our previous tutorial. Let's put a breakpoint on line 9 and run our application again. I'm going to execute it step by step. Here we see control was transferred to Module 1. Now control transfers back to the click event. Now control transfers to the sub My Sub in Module 1. OK. And control transfers back to Form 1. And the program stops. Basically, what a module does is help you manage your code. It may not be too obvious now, but when your programs are larger, modules are an extremely helpful way to organize your code. That's because modules can be saved and recalled independently. And this concludes our tutorial about modules.